Oh, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm sure it'd be there.
Even kijken, want deze zit hier in kort nu. Dat kan ik ook doen, dat ik hem hiermee.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you can't miss that.
We're gonna hear it.
Oh, look at that. That's real lovely.
Yeah, just wait. Because sound's a lot slower than light, so you're gonna hear this. You're gonna hear this.
Ready?
That's what you
Oh my God, that's so cool.
You'll think it's
Mary, can you see it above? Watch. See it? An elevator.
See it?
You see it?
Yeah, now we're just starting to hear it.
But now you can hear it.
Best is it.
Slow sound.
By the tracking team so far. That's really rapid succession. To call for a back chill, perfectly conditioning that Merlin Falcon mentioned ahead of the start of
And
its
then the
first
rockets
burn.
come back down.
The first we'll see the engine cut off its wings out of 27 seconds of flight, followed by stage separation. The ignition of that Merlin Falcon. Payload panels deploy before the reset mark.
This comes back. Going back to
About 5 seconds.
the drone ship.
Stage separation. Second stage engine start. Bearing separation.
Oh, those are rockets coming down? Just stay, get underneath there.
Yeah, go underneath.
Underneath there. Check down. You see it? To the right up there, Mari? Right here.
Oh, I see it.
Right there.